Dr. Prabhakaran, I have been wanting to speak to you about this potential 6-week ban because, as you and I both know, most women do not know that they are pregnant at 6 weeks. There are also some very clear specifications about the carve-outs in this ban. Talk me through what that is going to mean for you as a provider and what it is going to mean for women in the state of Florida and all across the South.
Good evening, Alicia. Thank you for this opportunity to talk with you about this important issue. Yes, as you were saying, the politicians here in Florida have decided to advance a 6-week abortion ban, which is extreme, and it means that patients who may not even be aware that they are pregnant. 6 weeks is very early in the pregnancy. By the time they even realize they are pregnant, may not have a chance to be able to access abortion care here in Florida. And as you said, a 6-week ban here in Florida means that patients from around the Southeast will have to travel potentially even further or just may not be able to access care. Every week, we're seeing patients from Alabama, Georgia, Texas, Arkansas, Louisiana, who travel hundreds of miles to Florida, which is the nearest place for them often to access care, so that they can get the care that they need. So certainly the 6-week ban will be devastating here and around the Southeast.
Here's the thing, Vinny, I don't need to tell you, I don't need to tell the doctor, which this has nothing to do with improving health care for women and for families. This is all about raw politics. We watch as Kristi Noem sort of pressured Ron DeSantis to get out even further on abortion. I mean, it's less than a year ago he signed a 15-week abortion ban in the state. So from your perch, looking at this in terms of elections and politics, what is driving this and what does it mean?
I think it's a race to the bottom. There's this extremist Republican fight to be the most dystopian in their policy. What's really challenging, though, for Ron DeSantis, he clearly wants to be president. And we know that the majority of Americans are with us on reproductive freedom. 8 out of 10 Americans support legal access to abortion. And even in the Republican Party in Florida, University of North Florida's study just showed the majority of Republicans in the state oppose this ban. So it's really hard to understand. This strategy will get Ron DeSantis potentially to the top of a Republican primary, but it will not win him a general election. And this is the challenge that Republicans are facing today. And frankly, it's a challenge that we welcome because it makes it very clear for us what our job is and makes the path for Democrats and pro-choice champions much clearer.